the people, they line up in droves to get this food, because for many of these families, that is the one guaranteed meal that they will have every day.
Bon, ça veut dire, pas faire dans le programme, non, je dis à faire 2 jours, mais on connaît pas parti mon ça mourir, avait dit m'pas possibilité de me joindre, moi gagner.
There really isn't a shortage of food. It's an economic crisis. These people can afford the food. They cannot afford what's available here. And what they do is they buy a little bit of food and feed 1 meal a day.
Manger à li bon pour ti moun yo. Parce que avant ti moun yo pot ko manger a, nous te wè ti moun yo po yo enflé, tête yo rouge, ventre yo gros, yo désolé. Après, les yo vin continuer manger a, yo vin bien gay. Y a manger.
Oui, il y a un peu l'aider, il y a un peu moun qui te fait malnutrition. Ti moun et grand moun kon fait malnutrition, ti moun kon fait, mais les yo vin dans programme nan, nous yo jeune un peu l'améliorer.
I can't begin to express the gratitude of Lifeline and the gratitude of the people for that food. Already, 3 containers of food have arrived. Within 3 weeks, it's all gone. And tomorrow, we're getting another container, and it'll be gone within 2 or 3 days. You can't minister to everybody yourself. You can't cure all the hunger in the world, but you can help one. And the words or the expression that was used was, do for one what you would like to be able to do for all. And I just think that's a way that encourages us to realize that no matter how small we might seem and how humongous the task might seem, if you do for one, that one just very well may turn around and do for another and another. And that's what the Great Commission is all about. So do for one what you'd like to be able to do for everyone. God bless you. Thank you.